Hi, so in this video I'm going to show you how to organize the headings in your document. So I'm running Microsoft Office 365 on a MacBook, but this is a similar process on PCs or using different versions of Word. So with this document, I can see I've got a main heading here at the top telling me that it's about CPCR in Folds in a hospital. And then looking down through it, the first section I have is the airway, and then the second section is breathing. So they're my main heading and my subheadings. So what I can do is, you can see I've put them in here in bold, but that's going to be a bit inconsistent. So I'm going to select this heading here, and then I'm currently looking on the home menu, and I have this section called headings, and I'm going to make this text here, which I've highlighted. You can see it's currently normal text, and I want to change that to heading 1. So if I click heading 1 here, you can see that it reformats this heading for me. Then if I highlight airway here, and I want that to be heading 2. Okay, so that you can see it's now changed colour and it's slightly smaller than heading 1, but it's still bigger than the rest of the plain text underneath it. And I'm going to repeat that process down here with heading 2, breathing. Okay, the only check is you're being consistent with your layout. So you can see here I've got no gap between airway and place in this paragraph, whereas in this one here I've got a gap in here. It doesn't matter really what you prefer, go with what you think looks nicest, but just be consistent throughout your document. So I'm going to have my subheading level 2 with no space underneath it. As I say, it's personal preference, but make sure that whatever you pick for the start, you do so throughout the document. And then you can go ahead and put in, say, heading 3 if you wanted. You can also put in quotations and so on. So this menu gives you options to change the appearance of the headings in your document, but keep them all consistent. Also, if you go to insert a table of contents, the document will use these headings to organize that table of contents. So that's just a quick overview of how to put in heading formats in your document.